So today, went to Pegasus Hotel. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little under the weather. So we all went to Pegasus Hotel and to have brunch. They have a Sunday brunch there. It's pretty straightforward. Good food, nice atmosphere, nice music, live music. So I highly recommend that if you're in Kingston, check out the Pegasus brunch. One of the best. I think it's better than Terranova. The food tastes better. Friend when we came. Even the pool, they did some renovation on it. It's behind it. Never had all those seating chairs and stuff before, remember? This was just last year we were here. But it is nice though. They did, yeah. Just a little bit. I hope they upgrade their room. And last Sunday here, I said. Last Sunday here. Say it anyway, like it. Yeah.
Last day. Last day, guys. Huh? Of it, right? Buy it or of it?
I love what they did with the mac and cheese, coconut rice and peas. Never heard of coconut rice. This is round one. We need about 4 more rounds. Yeah. Chicken, it looks good. I'm hoping it's good. Yeah, put it down. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, baby girl, put it out, baby. You're eating for 2. Yeah. That's it, Shab. Fuck that up. Show them I was done. Bailey is from Canada. Watch out. Smoke. This is good. Clams with the shrimp. The pepper would go good at this, eh? Yeah. Fill up.
Black forest chocolate cake. I got that.
They got parfaits as well.
or mousses in the glass. You don't like mousse? Yeah. Some more taste of the good life.
Set up nice.
This is possible for everyone. Just gotta do the right thing. Look out for who looks out for you. Be a good person, because you never know the person you help
No, you gotta go in here. You pick that.
might be the person that brings you the success that you always wanted. Because you looked out for that person when they were down, and now they're up, they reciprocated.
Try not to get hands in 10 minutes.
You have to be kind, man. You never know when you're gonna need something.
Yeah, they actually upgraded their pool. I like that. I stayed here a couple times. I see in the far right they updated it. My little sister to meet her uncle. This is my father's brother. He hasn't seen her since she was a baby. So I took her to meet him. You know, so they chopped it up a little bit. He's a very proud man, you know, so he's very happy to see. Yeah.